How to upload longer videos to Instagram story. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can upload longer videos to your Instagram story. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your Instagram app. To make sure, head over to your Play Store, search for Instagram. If you see update sign here, tap on to update and update your app. Open your app once you're done updating. Then tap on to your story to add a story. Now it will open up your camera section, and in case you would like to record a longer video, all you have to do is tap onto the bottom icon. In case you would like to upload an existing video, tap onto the gallery icon on your bottom left and choose any video that you would like. In my case, I'll be using a video that is 1 minute longer. Now, as per the latest update of Instagram, it will not cut your video within 15 seconds. You can upload up to 1 minute long video to your Instagram story. Once you're done choosing a longer video, simply tap onto your story on your bottom left. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.